This is James Hendricks with the Black Sheep Reports. Britain's High Court has ruled that the emergency surveillance legislation that was pushed through Parliament in 2014, which gave police and security servants access to citizens' private data, is illegal. Now, the High Court ruled against the former Lib Conservative Coalition Data Retention Investigatory Powers Act, also known as Dripa, and ordered it to pass new legislations by the end of March 2015. Now, the two MPs had brought a legal challenge against the government, saying that the legislation was a violation of European right laws. Now, the MP's legal challenge was supported by human rights groups, Liberty, which argued that the legislation allowed police and security services to monitor citizens without proper safeguards. Now, the High Court judge found the act, which was fast-tracked through Parliament last July, is inconsistent with EU laws. They argued it breached Article 7 and Article 8 of the EU Charter of Fundamental Rights. Now, the Lord Justice Bean and Mr. Justice Collins declared that the Section 1 of Dripa does not lay down clear and precise rules providing for access to use of communication data, and therefore should be scrapped. The government says it disagrees with the court ruling and intends to seek and appeal the legislation, and was challenged by the Labour MP Thomas Watson and Conservative MP David Davis, both of whom welcomed the High Court ruling. Speaking after the ruling, Watson said it's important to hold the government to account. He said it's a year to this day since Dripa received the royal assent. Good governance is about allowing legislation to make room to make law. In this case, it didn't happen. Good opposition is about holding government to account, and that didn't happen either. He said, so we find ourselves in a position where the account have to say to the Parliament, go back and start again. In this final speech in Parliament on this bill last year, David Davis warned about this legislation and would be junk in a year, and it is. Now, this has been James Hendricks with the Black Sheep Reports. Links are below. Subscribe if you're new. And don't forget to check us out on Facebook. Our page is Media on 9/11. Thank you.